just as you are, a shining light, brighter than a star. No need to change, don't hide your heart. You're my world, my favorite part. When tears fall like the rain outside, I'll be here.
Friends, 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 we're the best team. Sharing smiles and living our dream through every adventure and every game. Together forever, we're the same. We'll face the world, you and me, with love and laughter, wild and free. Hand in hand, we'll find our way. Friends forever, come with me. Friends, 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 we're the best team. Sharing smiles and living our dream through every adventure and every game. Together forever, we're the same. So here's to us, the best of friends. Our bond will never, ever end. With every hug and every cheer, our friendship grows year by year. Friends, friends, we're the best team. Sharing smiles and living our dream. Through every adventure and every game. Together forever, we're the same.
Talaga, happy birthday TL! February siya birthday at yung month na yon na napunta ako sa team mo, I'm more than grateful na sa Team Fritz ako napunta. Sabi ko nga kay Mami Crisel, Team Fritz is very accommodating and I'm more than grateful dahil sa mga sa inyo ako napunta. All out yung support at saka ramdam ko yung support niya ng team sa bawat isa. So, I have a gift for you. This is for you. Happy birthday. And, yan ang wish ko sa'yo. Not just for this year, but for the many years to come. Happy birthday, TL. Love, love.
Birthday na ni TL. Birthday na ni TL. Birthday na ni TL. Birthday ni TL. Ayan, happy birthday po sa aming magandang TL. And TL, nawa po ay ma-enjoy nyo po ang araw na ito. And may this year be filled with even more accomplishments for you, for leading the team po. And may God continue to bless you, your good heart, TL. Isa po kayo sa mabait na taong nakilala ko, and thank you po for motivating us na gawin yung mga dapat namin gawin as a teammate and as a person. And yung TL, mahal po namin kayo. Thank you po and happy birthday po ulit.
Hi Tail Fritz, good morning. Happy birthday. Wishing you a more birthday to come and keep safe lagi and good health. Yun lang. Peace.
Hi, TL Fritz. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. And sobrang thankful, TL. Kasi po, nakamit ako ng isang dedicated, supportive, and approachable, and naging comfortable na din naman ako, TL. Syempre, transition from another TL, and thankful po na kayo yon yung naging second TL ko dito sa HT. And alam ko po na i-bless pa ni Lord kayo ng marami pang blessings kasi I know your heart is so good. And I really wish you all the best and all the happiness in life and many more blessings to come. And enjoy your special day, TL. And thank you so much once again. God bless always. Love, TL. Bye po.
Hi TL, happy birthday. And sensya na, sobrang lamig dito sa Toronto, Batangas City. So, TL, again, yeah, isa lang yung wish ko for you. Continued happiness. So, with your family, your friends, and your work as well. And this is my chance to tell you and to say na super thank you po for your limitless kindness sa akin and sa aming lahat sa team. Thank you for your walang kamatayang pag-suporta sa amin. So, in every request na nandyan kayo for us. So, we really, and I really do appreciate it, TL. But again, basta tuloy mo lang po yung, enjoy nyo yung day nyo today with mama and your papa. And, pakabusog ka hanggat gusto mo. And alam ko naman, lagi kayong nasa healthy, side. So, again, happy birthday. And, yeah, I love you. Bye-bye po. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Hi TL, happy birthday and may all your wishes come true and stay pretty.
Hi TL, happy birthday to you and more birthdays to come. Thank you lagi sa pagsusupport sa amin, lalo na sa akin, especially dun sa family ko. Sobrang thank you po and ayun, wishing you a good health lagi. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hello, T. Happy birthday. Stay mabait and stay sexy like Ann Curtis. And always remember that I always appreciate you in all ways. Happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Hello TL Fritz, happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana po ay masaya kayong ngayong araw with your family. Thank you po for your unending support sa team. And as a friend, I always feel your presence any time of the day. And I pray for many more birthdays to come and that God will give all the desires of your heart. Live your life to the fullest. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Stay pretty and stay sexy. Happy birthday, TL Fritz. Love you.
Hello, TL Fritz. Happy birthday and God bless.
Hello, T. Happy birthday. So, ayun, I miss you na. Hindi ka na nagsasay. Hindi tayo nagkikita. But then, I just want you to know na I really appreciate lahat ng help and everything that you have done. And I will see you soon. And just, I also want you to know na kahit like ka nagpapamiting, kahit queuing, love kita. And I'll see you soon. Happy birthday. More blessings. Bye. Love ya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.